I can't even remember when I had the implant because it feels just like a normal tooth, and it feels permanent. You don't even have a sense that it's different to the other teeth. So when Dr. Beshar put the implant into my jaw, I was surprised at how quickly the bone grew around it and how permanent that was. And when the synthetic tooth was put on that implant, it has fit in perfectly with the rest of my teeth.
Removing the old falsies that he had, and then going through the whole implants and having new veneers in, it was something that, to see him when everything was done, and it was done probably 6 months before our wedding, and to really see him smile, looking at the pictures going back to the wedding, and everybody, including his parents, was telling us he's never really wanted to smile or been able to feel comfortable smiling, but for me it's that confidence of seeing him on our wedding day actually sort of smiling, which I haven't seen that before. And just little things, but more important things, like being able to kiss confidently because he's not worried about things coming out.
Beshar did some implants for me. They were done very easily as far as I was concerned. Had no problems with them, and I still don't have any problems with them. Had them for some time. So
I had implants in Dr. Beshar's office, and I think for me they were the best solution. The alternative, really, because I had severe gum disease, the alternative ultimately would have been a denture of some kind, and the implants are like having one's natural teeth. I was very concerned about what my appearance would be while the process, while we were moving forward with the process, but Dr. Beshar was able to fit me with temporary teeth in every instance, which were more than satisfactory, and as far as my appearance and insofar as using my teeth.
The discomfort of the procedure was minimal. It was well controlled. I was apprehensive coming in, but it turned out to be a much more acceptable procedure. The result for me has been, I can't tell it from a difference between my implants and my regular teeth, and I've been very satisfied with the results.
Well, the first implant, which was done quite a while ago by Dr. Beshar, has worked out perfectly. So I had the same situation on the other side of my mouth, and after waiting for a while, we did that one. Dr. Beshar did that one recently, and it's gone smoothly and not painful, and I'm looking forward to getting it completed, and I'm very happy with it.
I've needed a number of things, such as crowns and implants, but I've never had any pain or problems with them. They've always been extremely smooth, comfortable procedures. If there was pain, I'd tell you, but I haven't had any.
An implant procedure from Dr. Beshar over five years ago. It worked beautifully. It was a comfortable procedure. Now I feel my mouth is more whole and coordinated in synchronicity. The implant doesn't cause me any problems. It's just like another, it's like having another tooth. I'm very glad I had it.
Okay, on my visit with Dr. Beshar, I had a bone graft, 2 wisdom teeth extractions, and a couple of implants, all in the same day. In the end, the results were great. I'm very pleased with the results. I have no complaints whatsoever. I'm glad I did it.
I had an implant done here, and what was remarkable was that it was unremarkable. There's no discomfort at all, and it seemed like I could go right out of here and pretty much eat normally, and it soon seemed like I had always had the tooth and that nothing really changed.